Maintain image and signature with user. This presentation will give an overview of Maintain image and signature with user feature. With this feature, you can save images and signature of all the users created in your company. You can save these images and signature on your local computer or on network or server so that they can be shared and accessed by all other users. To enable this feature, click Administration, Configuration, Features Options, General tab and enable the option of Maintain image and signature with user. Click Configuration button to configure this option. First of all, we will enable the option of Maintain image with user. After enabling this field, we will specify the image folder where the images of all the users are kept. You can specify a folder of your local machine or on server or network. Here we are taking a folder named image which is kept on the server common folder. Next, we have enabled the option of Maintain signature image with user. Now again we will specify the folder where the signatures of the users are kept. This folder is again on the server common folder. That means this is also on the network machine. Now, as these folders are specified on network, these can be accessed by all the users of the company. Here on the screen you can see that in the server common folder, in the image folder, you have a JPEG file named Amit Roy, that is it is image of the user Amit Roy, and in the signature folder you have a JPEG file named Amit Roy, that is it contains signature of the user Amit Roy. Now in Busy we will go to user profile and open Amit Roy user's profile in modify mode. At the bottom of the screen you can see the image and the signature of the user. Busy has tagged the image named Amit Roy with the user Amit Roy, that is Busy will tag the image with the same name as the name of the user. The same images kept in the folder as specified by you in the configuration will be tagged with the user. Similarly, if there is any other image, that will be tagged with the user which has the name similar to that image name. Now we will close this company and will again log in from the user Amit Roy. Here we are entering a sales voucher. Enter details related to sales voucher. Click Save button to save the voucher. After that, Busy is asked for printing the voucher. Here we are printing the voucher in a format already configured. That is, we have configured a format already in which we have configured the user image and signature to be printed in the bill. Here at the bottom of the bill you can see the image of the user and the digital signature of the user. Hope after going through this presentation you will be able to easily use and implement Maintain image and signature with user feature in Busy. Thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.